Ladder of Progress. Adi Shankaracharya in Bhaja Govindam says, through the company of the good, there arises non attachment. Through non attachment, there arises freedom from delusion. When there is freedom from delusion, there is the immutable reality. On experiencing immutable reality, there comes the state of liberated in life. Swami Chinmayananda says, in the stanza under review, Shankara gives a simple ladder of progress by carefully climbing which a seeker can comfortably arrive at the highest reaches of perfection. Whatever may be our present state of life, we may be bored, frustrated, depressed, feel hopeless, feel full of negativity, don't see any meaning in life, don't know the purpose of life, and are generally dissatisfied with life. And yet, if we want to be free, then there is no cause for despair. The ladder of progress tells us where to start the journey and what are the different stages of progress. They say start by seeking the company of the good people. The company of the good people gives rise to non-attachment. What is non-attachment? Let us see what is attachment. Attachment is our wrong relationship with the world of objects and beings. Once we have overcome attachment, then we can say we have developed non-attachment. From non-attachment arises freedom from delusion. Delusion is the wrong estimate of life. We don't know the meaning and purpose of life. We don't know what is real and what is unreal. We have taken the unreal to be real and we don't know what is the real. But once we come in the company of good people and we have developed non-attachment, then that frees us from our delusion. And as a result of being freed from delusion, we come to understand intellectually about the immutable reality. We can appreciate this state of immutable reality by taking the help of the scriptures and the scriptural masters. We can pursue this path to experience the immutable reality. And once we come to experience the immutable reality, then that leads us to the state of liberated in life.